Hello everyone, it is the 24th of December and we are probably driving, the time this is going live, driving to Uma and Orpa's house. So this is a pre-recorded video for the last day of the Advents calendar, 24th of December. We've been doing daily 10-minute portraits and it's been amazing. Thank you to everyone who has joined the fun the past month. Today we're drawing Kevin. I got to meet Kevin in August this year in London, which was wonderful. And this will be the final Advents calendar portrait. So you're not here in the live chat to interact with, but please leave a comment. Let me know who's here, who's watching. And thank you to everyone who has been joining the live streams all the way through December. It's been great. I've really appreciated the company. I've loved seeing your drawings and have loved having the workshops, getting to spend so much time with so many of you in Zoom, in the workshops. I actually just finished my Tuesday Zoom session, the weekly Zoom, and have come right into OBS to record this. So thanks a lot, Kevin, for your wonderful face. Kevin was actually one of the first people I got in touch with saying I'm going to do this Advent calendar thing. And so it's perfectly fitting that he should be the last portrayed person of this Advent calendar drawing series. So I will be back after Christmas with some more live streams. I'll do a sketchbook walkthrough. This is different paper. I was working on this last Advent, last year. This is a toned watercolor paper. I've got ink here. I thought it might be fitting. I might wash down some big wet patches of ink. There is a link to the Discord server in the description. And if you're not already on the Discord server, I'm sharing daily references there. And people have also been sharing their work from these sketches, which has been really cool. So check that out. And there are multiple links in the description. There's also a link to my website about my mentorship, which is coming up in January. The next round of my mentorship begins. And if you feel like that could be of interest to you, I would love you to check out my website and get in touch. It's going to be a personal, intimate, in-depth learning experience with a small group of mentorees and me, with one-on-one calls and group calls. And it can be whatever you need it to be, whether that's exploring technique or figuring out a body of work, working towards different ways of practicing and of sharing and showing. There are so many things that could become part of the mentorship experience, and it's a really wonderful thing to share together. And it's something that I, in the past, have gotten so much out of. I am very honored and delighted to be able to offer this experience. And there's so many other things as well. If you've enjoyed this mentorship, the mentorship, let me know in the chat. But if you've enjoyed these live streams throughout December through Advent, then and you want to keep sketching and learning with me, then check out my Patreon. That is a really good way to enable me to be able to keep doing these streams and stuff. And I share a monthly tutorial there. The link to that is also in the description. And that is, I'm really looking forward to the next year of Patreon. It has been such a great driving force in my practice this year. And I've been sharing sharing monthly tutorials since 2021. So there is quite an archive, and I felt like, even though I've been doing it for a while now, the past years tutorials have been really good. And I think having the focus of the different themes which I had throughout this year, which also were incorporated into my live stream topics and the references that I chose. And that was a big guiding force in that was the Patreon topics that I had. So I was able to dedicate myself to a certain way of looking at things throughout the month, and then take that focus into making a tutorial at the end of each month. So for my my practice and way of like getting into the zone before making the tutorials, these live streams and these monthly topics have been super, super helpful. That was the first 5 minutes, everyone. Let's keep going. Second 5 minutes. Maybe now it'd be interesting to brush some ink, an inky darkness. So the theme, how dark is this? Quite. This past week, well, this month has been a journey into the darkness, and now we've reached the solstice and the return of the light. So that has informed some of my reference choices, moving into the darkness, and some high contrast, really interesting lighting. Kevin shared this reference to the Kanyo group chat, and I saw someone said that this like bar of light is a classic kind of Kanyo reference. And that's something early on, these kind of community reference sharing groups, something that I really appreciated and noticed was that people who are into image making themselves, that when they notice like, oh, this light is really cool, and then they kind of capture themselves in that light, it's a really nice way to be able to share very drawable and paintable references. So that's really cool in Kanyo, and also the sketchy community. There's a lot of people sharing really cool images, and also because they're into image making themselves, that they kind of have an eye for what would be cool to work from in a drawing or a painting. So that's a really nice kind of bonus. Because not every reference is as easy or rewarding or enticing to work from. But when people have an eye for what is, then that's really great, because, yeah, nice reference is a great gift to be able to work from. If you have any input, any ideas that you would like me to explore, I'm still putting together my roadmap for 2026 of the topics I'm going to cover throughout the year. But within the coming week or so, I expect that I will have come up with a plan for what I'm going to do throughout the year. And if there's something in particular you would like me to cover, then let me know in the comments, and perhaps that will make it onto my roadmap for 26. So a lot of cool suggestions: hair, drapery, animals. If you're familiar with the daily portrait practice I've been doing, you'll may be aware that I had a different theme each month, and that's what I'm looking towards, lining up the same kind of thing but with different topics. And some people have said that a lot of the topics covered this past year would be really cool to do again. And sometimes as I was making the tutorials, I'd be like, wow, this could be like a whole course just focusing on this. This is, there's just so much interesting stuff to explore. And I do have a couple of courses coming up for 2026. The first will be an ink course, and then later in the year a watercolor course. Because a couple of years back I put together a watercolor course, which let me know in the comments if you did my course on the Carabolic Art School, my watercolor course, because that was super fun. And I've gotten to know so many great people through it, and it'll be something like that, but new, and furthering my exploration. And I also had a watercolor month last year, and where I wanted to push more the kind of sketchy possibilities of watercolor. And that's something I want to explore more this coming year. All right, so that's 10 minutes already. I definitely feel like I could keep going, but this idea of just getting together for 10 minutes of sketching each day, perhaps there's something that happens in that 10 minutes which is the seed of something bigger, longer, and perhaps it's not. Perhaps it's just right, just how it is, and it's time to stop and get on with your day or move on to your next project, whatever it is. But however you've been able to participate and interact, thank you so much. Like and subscribe to my channel and like this video if you haven't already. That's something I often forget to say, but apparently it's helpful. And apparently watching a video all the way to the end, that helps videos get seen, and interacting in the comments. So if you've made it all the way or this far through this video and you're at the end, then you can put a drawing hand emoji in the chat. And actually, if you're searching for emojis, it won't be drawing. You'll have to put in writing, and then you'll find this writing hand. But obviously it's the drawing hand. Or if you've just been watching, you can put in popcorn. Or you could tell me how you're spending your 24th and 25th of December. So that's it. That's the last session for this Advents calendar. And I will be back soon with more streams and more opportunities to draw together. Oh, that nostril kind of bled out there. That's okay. All right. I'll stop sometime soon. And yeah, all those things I mentioned as I was sketching, you can check out my Patreon, mentorship. I'd love to have you join the mentorship if you want to. And I'll be here again very soon. And I'll be in touch about upcoming opportunities to draw and create and learn together. There may even be a workshop in London, end of January, start of February. Very spontaneous. I just booked flights. So that may be a thing. If you're in London or close to London, or you could get to London and would be interested in joining a workshop, then let me know, get in touch. Because I've only just mentioned the idea, but it could happen. And if you're interested, if you're keen, it would be amazing to have you there. Okay, I'm almost going to stop. I'm almost done, and I've got to get ready for our road trip tomorrow. So there we go. That'll do. Thanks everyone. Have an incredible day. If you celebrate Christmas, have a wonderful Christmas. If you're still enjoying the after solstice experience, then enjoy the lengthening days or the lengthening nights if you're in the southern hemisphere. Either way, thank you so much for being here, and I'll be back soon.